Lucky you, you've received a lifestyle gift card. You're clearly a super likable human. Now it's time to register your gift card. Scratch off the back of the card, hover your camera over the QR code and head to lifestylegiftcards.co.uk. Click spend and let's go shopping. Enter the voucher reference and your email address to create your account. Head to your inbox to get your verification code. Copy and paste your verification code from your email. You only have to go through this process once to activate the account. All you need to do now is swap your credit for a retailer of your choice. To do this, simply select your favourite retailer and the value of the gift card and add to basket. Head to the checkout to complete your order and receive your gift card direct to your wallet and your email. With over 170 brands to choose from, you're guaranteed to find somewhere you love to shop. Can't decide? Split your credit between several brands. Don't forget, you must register your card online before you can redeem in store.